In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your PNC online banking password. Managing your financial accounts online can be incredibly convenient, but occasionally you might find yourself needing to reset your password for security reasons or simply because you forgot it. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process to ensure you're back online in no time. First, let's get started by navigating to PNC's online banking site. Open up your browser and head to their official login page. Once you're there, you'll notice a link that says, Forgot user ID or password? Alternatively, there might also be an option labeled Reset Password. Click on that, and you'll be well on your way to setting up a new password. Now, to verify your identity and protect your account, PNC will ask for some personal information. You'll need to provide your user ID, your debit card number along with its PIN, and the last four digits of your social security number or tax ID. Additionally, you'll be required to enter your PNC account number. This information helps ensure that the reset request is legitimate and authorized by you, safeguarding your banking information against unauthorized access. Once you've successfully submitted all the necessary credentials, it's time to create your new password. PNC has specific guidelines to help enhance your account's security, so be sure to follow these closely. Your password must be between 8 and 20 characters long, and it's essential to include a mixture of both letters and numbers. You can also use special characters if you like, but steer clear of using the same password you've used recently. Lastly, remember to avoid using 3 or more repeating characters, as this can weaken the security of your password. After setting your new password, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the reset was successful. You can now log into your account using your user ID and your newly created password. It's always a good idea to double check that everything works smoothly by logging in right away. Now, if you're already logged into your PNC account and simply want to change your password for security reasons or personal preference, there's a way to do that as well. Head over to the customer service options within your account settings where you can initiate a password change without needing to go through the reset process. Lastly, for those of you who prefer using the PNC mobile app, there's an option to reset your password there as well. Open the app, navigate to the menu, then to the control hub. From there, select Sign In and Biometrics and you'll find an option to change password. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be all set. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to resetting your PNC online banking password. With these instructions, you can ensure that your online banking experience remains seamless and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.